The Blackhawk 2 travel rod is a very, very nice addition for any angler. It's very, very compact. It'll fit under your chuck seat. It'll fit in your trunk. It's very, very portable. So to extend the Blackhawk 2 travel rod, you're gonna wanna start with the very tip. You start with the tip, bring the first length out, bring it out, and then you're gonna come to the first floating guide. And the floating guides are simply just that. They float up and down. So you see that? It moves. Line the guides up, make sure your line's straight, and then just start at the tip and work your way all the way down. Lining all those guides up nice and straight. If you come to an extension, you extend it out. And then you have a fully extended, fully functional, fully operational, high quality bait casting travel rod. So when you're done, you just simply collapse it, just in reverse order. Line all your guides up as best you can. Take your protective sheath. It's got a little red guide in there. You just stick the red guide in through all your rod guides. And this little red protective guide is going to keep all your guides straight, and it'll prevent your line from getting twisted around your rod. So when you go to extend it, it extends with very little effort to line your guides up. And it fits under your car seat. So that's the Blackhawk 2 travel rod by KastKing. If you want more information on this rod right here, check the link down in the description. Make sure you subscribe to the KastKing channel, and we'll see you next time.